Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo. Glad that you've joined us today. Today we're going to be making an amazing vegan mac and cheese. You are gonna love it. Today's ingredients are vegan cheese, nutritional yeast flakes, macaroni, onion powder, garlic powder, Dijon mustard, plain flour and vegan margarine. We're going to weigh out 400 grams of macaroni, and then we're going to place this in a pan of salted boiling water and let that boil for between 12 to 15 minutes. Next, we're going to cut the cheese in half and grate 100 grams of it. Next, we're going to put our 50 grams of margarine into the pot and let that melt. Then we're going to add 50 grams of our plain flour into the pot. We're going to mix that well until it becomes like a smooth paste. And then when those honeycombs start to come in, then we're going to start to add our 650 milliliters of plant-based milk and continue to add this gradually until we have a nice smooth sauce. Next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, onion powder and a tablespoon of Dijon mustard and mix that together with a whisk so that it's incorporated really well. Then we're going to add in our grated cheese with a tablespoon of nutritional yeast flakes, and we're going to stir that in really well until it becomes a nice creamy sauce. Once the pasta's done, we're going to rinse that in cold water and drain it so it doesn't stick together. Then we're going to add our sauce to it in a bowl and mix that together really well. Then going to place the mixture into an oven-proof casserole dish, and then we're going to get the other 100 grams of the cheese and we're going to grate that on top, making sure that it covers all of the macaroni cheese, and then we're going to place this in the oven for 30 minutes at gas mark 5 until it starts to become a little golden brown on top. Look, the macaroni is finally done. You can serve that up with some beautiful vegetables, here we've got some sausage stew, and it's absolutely delicious, very creamy in its texture. You will love it. Thank you for watching today's video, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram, and if you use any of the recipes, be sure to tag us and follow us on all of our other social media platforms. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, and comment below on what you'd like us to do next. Thank you and see you next week. Bye.